Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Now, if you see the diagnosis of Schatzki's ring, now for the diagnosis of Schatzki's ring, we can do a barium swallow can be done for the diagnosis of Schatzki's rings. Okay, now if you do a barium swallow, you can find out that there is a ring will be present in the like for example, actually this is the picture of the Schatzki's rings. So if you do a barium swallow for this Schatzki ring, it is quite similar. Right? If you do a barium swallow for this Schatzki ring, you will see something like this. So there is full fillage of the esophagus and there is narrow filling will be seen through the ring, and again the gastric filling is also normal. So here you will see that there is a ring like structure. You cannot see the ring like structure, but there is narrowing will be seen in the barium swallow. Right now, actually, Schatzki's ring is a type B type of ring which is present at the gastroesophageal junction.
thank you and thank you for watching.